Start. Action.
Okay.
Who you are?
Hello, my name is Isabella.
And who is this?
And hello, my name is, my sister is retarded.
Okay.
Her name is Claire.
Okay. Introduce the house to everyone.
My sister is retarded!
Okay. We're gonna show you in the inside and the outside of this house.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
Let's go.
Okay. First, let's start with the inside. She's very weird.
Let's go.
Here we're going in the inside. Yes. We're going. Okay. You're weird, Claire.
So what is this?
And this is the kitchen.
Wow, it is a big kitchen.
Yes.
Okay, and what's next?
Yes. Well.
Look, it's pretty light. Look at
Yeah.
it. Look at it.
Oh, nice. Okay, hey, next.
Okay. So, where were we? Okay. So, where were we? Oh yes. So.
这个最佳的质感。
Inside of the garage.
Garage.
Who the heck
Okay. Oh, it is my car. Hi.
That's your car.
Hello Kitty car.
Hello Kitty. No, Hello
The
Kitty.
stuffed animal car. Oh yeah.
Okay, let's go inside.